Good morning, dear students. Today we will start grammar unit number 3rd, countable and uncountable noun. What is the difference between countable and uncountable? Countable thing is you can count easily. This is called countable, and uncountable we can't count it. Let's see what is the difference. First we will discuss countable nouns. Countable nouns are things that can be counted. They have singular or maybe plural forms. Example: a cup, two cups, 5 pens, 10 pens, 5 pencils, 2 glasses, 1 pen, okay, etc. Countable nouns can be used with a, an, or one, not the, okay. Singular countable nouns cannot be used alone without a and the, this, that, or a possible like my, your, his, etc. For example, he is eating an apple means he is eating one apple. An apple means one, okay. Or if you say he is eating apple, this is same. Second, I like apples. I like many mangoes. I like this school. Means this is we can say this is countable nouns. We can use many and few with plural. Countable nouns. There are not many biscuits left. Biscuits. If there are 10 lakh biscuits now, students, you can count. But 1 kilo rice is there, but you can't write. You can packet of rice. You can count packet of rice, but you can't rice. Is it possible? Can you count 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice? Okay. I have written a few letters today. How many letters? Few. If I am writing 10 letters or 50 letters, you can count. We can say this is countable nouns. Okay. Then we can use some, any, and a lot with plural countable nouns. For example, I want some grapes. Means how many grapes? It is not clear, but I want some means I want 10, 15, 20, 35, etc. Did you buy any stamps? Stamps you can count. I have got a lot of friends here. If you say I want sugar, if you purchase 50 grams sugar, you can't count. Is it possible? Can you count? One sugar, 2 sugar, 3? No. Okay. Our next topic, countable. A job, countable. Journey, poem, a meal, loaf, climate. These are countable. Second, a daily paper, newspaper. You can count or not? Yes. Paper you can count. So paper is countable. Then iron for pressing clothes means you can say istri. A glass of orange juice, my glasses, a rubber. There is a hair on your collar. There's a hair. One single hair, not hair. We would like 2 teas and 1 coffees, 2 cups of tea and 1 cup of coffee. So these are our countable nouns. Understand? If you are not understanding, then inform me. Our next topic is uncountable nouns. So I hope you understand what is the countable nouns. Now uncountable nouns. Understand what is the difference? Rice, 1 kg rice and 1 packet of rice. Both are different. Okay? Packet is different and rice is different. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted. They do not have a plural form. Example, milk. How many packet of milk we can count, but how much milk can you count? 1 drop milk, 2, 3. I will give you only 1 cup of milk. Can you count how many drops are there? No. Water, rice, music. We cannot say milks, waters, 2 rices, some musics, etc. Uncountable nouns are not normally used with a, an, or one. We cannot say a milk, a water, a rice, on 1 music, etc. Uncountable nouns can be used alone without this, that, the, some, my, etc. He is eating rice. I love music. That is true. We can use much, not many. In uncountable, we can't use many, okay, much. And a little, not a few, with uncountable nouns. There is not much bread left. Not packet of bread, okay, only bread. we have got a little petrol. We can use some, any, and a lot of which with uncountable nouns too. I want some butter. I want some butter. Have you got any money? There is a lot of sugar in the tin. Okay. Next, uncountable work. How much work? Can you count? 50 gram, 100 gram, 2 kg, 5 kg? No. Travel, poetry, food, bread. If packet of food you can count, but here is food. So food we can't count. It is uncountable. Bread, weather. Second, uncountable example. Some paper to write on. Iron and steel. A window made of glass. Rubber is elastic. Comb your hair, not hats. One means hair, means var. Hats means not vada or vada, hair. All the hair on your head. I don't drink tea or coffee. If you can count cup of tea. Cup of tea. How many cup? 1, 2. But you can't count tea or coffee. Okay? Okay, so in this chapter only on countable and uncountable things are there. Nothing is there. At page number 14, exercise is there. Exercise number 2. You have to write in your textbook, not needed to write in your notebook. I will send a photo in Google Classroom. Okay, you just understand and write in. Where is it? Which mistake is there? And where is the mistake? You just understand and write down in your textbook. Okay, thank you.